With the bride-to-be, Janine! You're so pretty. O, diba? Naka-white siya. Tapos lahat kami naka-pink. Honeylet, Adrian, or Addie, Sarah! Hello! We're gonna have dinner first. Tapos we're gonna head straight to Polilia. Doon yung bachelorette ni Janine. Sakto nga kasi dumating kanina yung Love Bonito package ko. So this is a romper. So perfect kasi pink siya. It's so cute. Tsura niya. It's so cute. We have a bouquet from Flower Chimp for Jack. It's so cute. And then ang pinaka gusto kong makita is yung king cake. Nag-order kami sa king cake. So it's a very wholesome cake. Dito na kami sa Polilia. Wala pang tao kasi 7 o'clock pa lang. Perfect. There we go. So, ino-open na yung cake. Okay, bongga. Ito yung gift sa akin ni Risa. Super cute. It's called Kubo. So, ano siya? Genovese basil. The pebbles. Ano ba ito mga to? Cocoa pot pala. Sabi ko, ang cute naman ito. Potting mix, popsicle stick, seeds, pebbles, and organic fertilizer. Napabalicious. Yay! Pebbles na muna, and then the soil. Pinangalan ko siyang Baba. So, i-water ko na lang. Tapos, we're just gonna wait for it to grow. Ginagamit na namin yung gift sa akin ni Iza na curtains. I think these are from, I think Crate and Barrel. Hindi ko maalala. Pero, ano siya, cloth na curtain or shower curtain. Pero kailangan to merong plastic lining sa loob para hindi siya super mababasa. Bongga! Love it! And then, kapag fully closed kasi, si Kain mo hindi na pumapasok. So, kala niya hindi siya pwede makalusot. So, it's so bongga. I love it. And then, ito yung bagong drawer from Furniture Source Fills. Pero hindi ko pa siya naayos totally. Kasi kailangan dapat sa ano siya, sa beauty room. Since it's white. And medyo kailangan ko na ata, or gusto ko nang ilipat yung mga black na dressers ko. Pero hindi ko pa alam saan. So, while figuring it out, dito muna siya sa Monica room. So, temporary storage for mats, mga plastics na lagayan, mga eco bags. I also cleaned up a bit yesterday kasi itong Monica room na initially inayos namin, inilipat yung mga gamit sa taas, naging makalat siya ulit. So now, may floor na ulit. And then, here, look at this. So ito yung mga naiwan dito. So itong box, this one, and then ito, puro sunscreen stuff for summer stuff. So, toiletries and everything else na feel ko mga gamit ko pa. Including, ito rin, ito yung shampoo and conditioner. Then when you have, itong pink na bag, puro hotel stuff yan, yung mga hinuhoard ko sa mga hotel. Which I'm gonna stop doing kasi ayoko na mag-accumulate dito sa bahay. And then itong box din, toiletries and napkins and everything else na pwede ko pang magamit. Ito naman isang bag for my sisters and my mom. So including, again, mga toiletries din na extra na feel ko hindi ko na magagamit alone. So kailangan ipamigay ko na siya. Medyo madami rin yan. Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. So, kakauwi ko lang galing sa Strip Manila. So, since malapit na ang summertime, syempre lahat ng mga beach trips, sobrang perfect talaga yung Strip ice na ginagawa ko. I've been vlogging about it for months na. So, I think naka 5 sessions na ako. Brazilian. Strip ice Brazilian. It's basically semi-permanent hair removal. And it's perfect kasi nga, tuwing may mga beach trips ka, hindi mo na kailangan magpa-wax. So, very hassle-free. And then, I see to it that I stick to my schedule or stick to my appointments para hindi ko siya, di ba usually kapag humahaba yung hindi ka nakakabalik, alam mo, hindi mo na maintain. So, kailangan regular and kailangan stick to your schedule. Also, if you can notice, medyo umitim na ako ng bongga. So, this is the tan that I got from Zambales. So, that was January 1. That's 30 minutes of staying under the sun. Ano ginagawa ko eh? I'll be making a separate video on how I tan pag nasa beach. Pero mainly, I use coconut oil. And that's it. Sakto lang naman. I like it. And isa pang kailangan kong tapusin for today is this one. My makeup room na ang kalat. So, hindi ko siya naayos kasi umalis kami for New Year, diba? So, yan ang nakalat. And I've been watching a lot of Marie Kondo on Netflix. And girl, this doesn't bring me joy. So, kailangan natin ayusin yan. So, this is a mix of crap, hindi crap, mga stuff. So, meron tayong mga gifts from brands. And then, yeah, we have a lot of stuff. So, kailangan ko itong ayusin, girl. So, this is AB4. I know it gets too grabe. Kasi minsan talaga, you know, basta, sobrang kalat, nakakaloka. So, now it's time to cook some lunch. We're gonna have salmon again. May naglalaro. Hi, Kaimu! Ito yung skirt ni Bonnie dati. Hinila niya lahat ng toys niya from here. Kinuha niya pa baba. Anyway, for lunch, we're gonna have some grilled tomatoes. We have talong. Ito torta ko to. Tortang talong. We have okra. And then, magsasamon din tayo. Kaya sobrang love ko yung tong pan na to. Kasi, grilled veggies. The best. And then, we're also gonna grill tomatoes. So, salmon. So ako yung salmon ko luto. Ito, so medyo may raw sa gitna. Tapos, ulam. Sinayos ko yung mga shoes sa kwarto. So, yun na lang natitira. Ito na yung nag-spark ng joy. Yung iba, ibibigay ko na. Kila Ate DT. Tapos, ito na yung status ng makeup room. Clean. Still sorting this out. Tapos, may hindi ako na-open na gift from Clinique. So, para siyang Christmas calendar. Ngayon ko lang siya binubuksan sabay-sabay. So, thank you, Clinique! Yan, open na lahat. Thank you, Clinique! I'm so excited to use this one. You can take the day off makeup remover. Love it! Ang laking tulong din ng Marie Kondo sa Netflix. Kasi nga, sinasabi lang niya na while cleaning up, you have to ask yourself if something sparks joy. If it doesn't, let it go, so donate or tapon or something like that. So, yun, very helpful. I love it. Natapos ko na nga actually, panoorin yung buong season, pero hindi ako tutok na nanood. So, I might watch it again. Waiting for his food. Nag-prepare na ako. So, this is his usual food na meron carrots kasi gusto niya yung mga carrots and even cabbage. Come on, Baba. Kain ka na. Yay! With carrots. Good boy. So, naka-ano na siya ngayon. Naka-junior for medium dogs. Naubos niya yung pinaka-first niyang dog food. Yung pang baby. So, tapos mga to naman, I keep them in the ref pang snack ni Kaimu. Kasi usually gusto niya mag-snack on carrots. Yan, ito hinahalo ko sa pagkain niya. Pero yung mga ganitong bar for snacking. Freezer. So I need to tidy up the ref today. And so far, we still have okra, cherry tomatoes to grill. We have Baba's food. Yeah, so we have to buy more food, Baba. Wala na tayong food. Yeah. Rearrange ko pala yung living room. So, yung sofa nandito na. And then, dito na yung desk ko or yung office area, which is so much better. And then si Baba, may new bed. I'll be talking about that after I eat breakfast. Meron akong leftover pancake from yesterday. And then we have Key Coffee, drip coffee from Key Coffee PH. Ha, Baba?
And write a blog. But I probably need a deadline.
Why?
Let's watch Julie
Because
and
otherwise it'll be like
Julia.
everything else I do.
My
Let's
favorite
face it, I
movie.
never finish anything.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, hindi ko na catch sa camera pero nakaakit si Kai mo mag-isa. Hindi siya mama again, Baba. Marunong ka na. Bakit mo sa sofa? Oh my gosh, you're such a big boy. You're a big boy na. One more, let me see.
Jack London, this is my wife, Julia. It was such a wonderful
Hi, Babalicious! Siniswitch ko na yung cabinet. So, itong black, lalagay ko na sa Monica room. And then, nilipat ko na yung white. Noong una, bala ko, bibenta ko na lang ito, tsaka yung dresser na black. Pero sabi ko, ayoko. Kasi ito yung pinakaunang furniture na binili ko when I was still in my very first apartment. Kaya ayoko siyang i-let go. Since, I think it can be passed on to generations pa kasi ang ganda niya. Solid wood. Finally, naka-film na ako ng very first beauty video for 2019. I'm so happy. And I also just did a new OOTD for today. So, it's gonna be a daily OOTD on Instagram. And, ano pa ba? So, yun muna. One video, one OOTD. Now, we have to go to the grocery to buy some food. Super love ko tong earrings na to. It's from Edge. I'll just have the link in the information box. Pero they're from Instagram. Edge.ph. Thank you! They sent a couple more earrings to me. So, sa mga OOTDs lalabas siya. Okay. Nakauwi na kami galing supermarket. So, now it's time to do the haul. Grocery haul. So, dala ko ulit yung O-bag ko. Pero nakalimutan ko din yung mga plastic. So, medyo goal for this year is to reuse all the plastics that we have here. Kasi yung mga ganito, ginagawa namin basurahan. Anyway, we have eggs. And then, mushrooms. Kasi mag-ano ako. Curry. Fish curry. And we have broccoli. Parang nagmuna yung broccoli. Ngayon, ito 84 pesos, ito 74. Pero for sure, pag sa palengke, mas mura. And then we have basurahan, garbage bags. We have chicharo, sweet peas. Also for the curry. Then, carrots, pwede rin for the curry or snack ni Baba, ni Kaimu. And then, bacon. Tapos, Blue Marlin. So, sa SM Aura kami bumibili. Pero so far, ang nabilang ko ng sobrang fresh na salmon is sa Central Square, sa Marketplace by Rustan. Pero medyo nagsawa na kami sa salmon, so iba naman. So Blue Marlin. We have green dory, so ilalagay ito sa curry. And then we also have, pusit. Pwedeng grilled, pwedeng adobo. And then tenderloin. We also have, ito yung ribeye. Yung steak din pala. Na-add lang na plastic bag for today. 3 na plastic bags from SM. So, 1, 2, 3. Sa gulay, bumili kami ng repolyo. Kasi sobrang sarap nung, what do you call this? Yung parang goma sa yabu. Yung goma na sauce. Yun. Also from the supermarket. Pakita ko mamaya yung brand. So, ito chini-chop lang namin. And then, with the sauce, sobrang sarap. Then, we have Yakult. I cannot live without Yakult. Super sarap. Yung isang araw nag-crave ako ng Yakult na sobrang dami. Tapos, we have Delimondo corned beef. My favorite. Mushroom soup. Delimondo luncheon meat. Ito, craving din. Spam. Then, ang ginagamit ko sa curry is yung coconut milk from Cara. Also from the supermarket, SM Supermarket. And then, yung paste for the curry will be yung inuwi ko galing Thailand. Meron pa ako yung malala pa. Soup ulit, tsaka corned beef. Tapos may bazaar ulit kanina sa gitna ng SM Aura. So, nandun si Bucha Mama. So, Bucha Mama, una namin siya nabilhan nung nasa ano pa sila. Harap ng Central Square. So, harap ng Din Tai Fung. So, meron sila ngayon doon sa SM Aura. So, until Sunday, nandun daw sila. So, I'll be able to upload this vlog tonight. So, masasabi ko agad sa inyo na pumunta kayo till Sunday sila doon. Masarap. Masarap yung mga gawa niya. Kaya bumili kami ng dalawa. Tapos, pati yung in-Instagram story ko na s'mores, crinkles, nandun din sila. Yung sweeteroo. So, isa lang kinuha ko na s'mores this time. And then, 1 original and then 1 chewy cookies. So, 3 for 100 pesos. So, bumili lang ako. Ewan ko, ang sarap lang kasi. And, sa ano lang pala to? Sa Sampaloc lang pala to. Itong brand na to. So, bongga sila. Tapos, ito yung sinasabi kong dressing. Deep roasted sesame dressing from QP. QP. So, naka-half na kami kasi nga sobrang sarap. Like, kung gutom kayo, alam mo yun, mag-ano ka lang, maghiwa ka lang ng ano. Tapos, ito naman, bote ng ginger ale from the Salcedo Saturday Market. Masarap din siya. Bongga. Si Kai muna sa labas. Hi, Kaimu! Kaimu! Ito yung harness niya galing sa Hobbs. You like it, Bubblicious? Yeah, Mom! You're so cute, Bobo. Yes, you are so cute. Yung kama niya, inihian niya. Buti na lang, waterproof yung pinaka-tela nito. Kaya, hindi siya nasira masyado. Pupulasan ko mamaya ng basahan yan. Lahat ng toys niya, nilagay niya dyan. Kasi good boy. Umuupo siya agad sa elevator. That's a good boy. You keep wiggling your butt, Baba. My wiggle butt. My wiggle butt. Bubblicious. Bubblicious. Ang daming birds. Nag-review pala ako today ng mascara from Maybelline. So mamaya, tapusin ko yung video na yun. Okay, done. Kissy! Oh! Run! Pagod na? So, kakatapos ko lang mag-wrap up ng video about the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. So, I was supposed to do this video last month, pero hindi ko siya nahabol. Pero, I am going to upload it tomorrow, pero tonight will be the vlog, this vlog right now. So, again, yung earrings ko are from edge.ph. I already put up an OOTD post on my Instagram, so do check that out. And then, every post ko naman, tinatag ko naman lahat ng mga brands. So tomorrow, we're gonna do another OOTD post and then another set of earrings. And I'm so excited kasi, you know, every month, nagpapadala si Love Bonito. So tomorrow, we're gonna be featuring a piece from Love Bonito and I super love them. They're based in Singapore and medyo madami na akong clothes from them. So thank you so much to Love Bonito. And they're also gonna sponsor my winter trip OOTDs. I know winter, diba? Pero yung mga inner, alam mo yun? So anyway, hindi ko pa formally na-announce sa vlog, but we're gonna take our first trip for 2019, this coming Feb. And I'm so excited kasi it's gonna be in Sapporo, Japan. If you are a watcher of my vlogs, you would know na matagal ko lang pilano, as in nabook ko na yung flight and hotel tickets or hotel reservations. 2 trips ago. Basta 2 trips ago yon, and then I didn't push through kasi nga my dad was like in the hospital. And yun, ang nangyari, hindi ko siya natuloy. Hinayaan ko na lang kasi mas importante ang family, diba? So anyway, finally it's happening this coming Feb. And I'm so excited kasi I'm gonna spend like 5 nights in Sapporo alone. I decided not to roam around Tokyo anymore. Although si Bea, makakasabi ko na naman si Bea, hindi na ako pupunta ng Tokyo kasi nakapunta na naman ako doon. And I really wanna focus on Sapporo kasi there's so much to do in Sapporo. Actually, my eldest sister is going to be in Sapporo the same time I am there. Pero I think may mag-overlap lang kami na saktong dates. So I'm gonna meet up with her. I think we're gonna go skiing with her doon. Sa isang doon. I haven't really done my itinerary just yet. And I learned from Bea and Kim na dapat may itinerary para, alam mo yun, para mas madami kang magawa. Nakakaloka tong baby bang. Para may mas madami kang magawa in a day. So, ang dami kong tinitignan sa Klook. Since yun talaga ang go-to na activity website whenever I go abroad kasi they offer a lot of yung mga discounted blah blah blah. So, alam niyo naman ng Klook, diba? So, yun, ang dami kong nakita and I really wanna go skiing. And guys, I haven't really seen snow in my life. I'm 20 ano na ako? 7? 28? 27. I've never seen snow. So, sobrang excited ako for this trip. I'm actually gonna be doing how I pack for a winter trip kinda travel thing, luggage, how I pack video. And that's gonna be by the end of this month. So, aayusin ko na talaga and I won't be packing last minute kasi alam ko, lagi akong last minute packer and that's it just makes me, stressed out. And medyo may dilemma kasi may wedding akong attenda ng the day before the trip. So I need to head straight to the airport kasi ang flight ko is a red-eye flight. So kailangan lang diretso ako ng airport. So anyway, yeah, that's it for today's vlog. And tomorrow we're gonna vlog again. We're gonna go back to our daily vlogging. I know I've been not vlogging the past few days, pero medyo, feel ko lang medyo na-extend yung vacation ko, pero it's January, 12 na bukas, so we gotta work. So, kailangan, half ng month na pala, half ng month. So, anyway, nalipat ko na pala, nasa tripod kayo ngayon, kasi nawala ng battery yung G7X ko. Hindi ko yata na-share sa vlog, pero binilang ko siya ng case. Ito yung case, silicone case from Shopee. So, nagtanong ako kay Angel Day, and nakabili siya ng bongga kasi to, kasi pag sa bag, usually kasi, pag everyday vlogging cam, I just throw it in my bag. As in, kahit na anong magasgas yung niya, kaya nga kailangan talaga may case ka. Ewan ko, kasi pag everyday, pag everyday camera ko kasi talagang sobrang, hindi naman binabato-bato, pero very siya. Alam mo yan? So, I'm thinking of getting another, di ko pa sure, another camera for my Japan trip, but I'll probably just bring my M50, which I'm using right now. I'm using a different lens. Actually, for the Maybelline video, ibang lens yung ginamit ko. So, this is the 18 to 150 mm lens from Canon. They lent this to me, and now they gave it to me na. I'm so happy kasi kanina, nasa balcony ako, and then nagtitake ako ng pictures. Wala, ang ganda lang talaga niya. So, I also wanna get prime lens, pero hindi ko pa alam. Pero kasi ngayon, I'm just thinking first really hard bago ako bumili ng mga bagay-bagay kasi I just don't wanna accumulate so much stuff and have so much stuff na hindi ko naman kailangan. And, the past few days, I've been Marie Kondoing the entire apartment, as in, itong makeup room na to, actually hindi pa tapos, pero most probably okay na, pero kailangan ko pa siyang ayusin. So, nalipat ko na yung black na drawer ko sa kabilang side, kabilang room, sa Monica room. But I am not entirely happy with this. Itong arrangement na to, parang hindi ko pa siya gusto. Pero kasi this is the only room here na merong, alam mo yun, may saktong lagayan tong dresser. Eh, hindi naman ako pwede mag-makeup nang walang ilaw. Anyway, I wanted to transfer this entire room sa kabila. Isi-switch ko sana. Pero sabi ko, ang hirap kasi yung aircon pa, ganyan. Hindi na rin pala ako mag-accumulate ng mga boxes from PR packages. As in, ayoko na. Like, ang gaganda. Pero ang hirap kasi ang daming tambak. Nakakaloka. So, sobrang great help si Marie Kondo on Netflix. If you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch it. Apparently, there's a book. I saw it's a fully book, pero wala lang, hindi ko feel. Mas gusto ko manood ng Netflix. And then, ano pa ba? You. Yung YOU na series on Netflix. Tapos na rin namin panoorin. Maganda siya. Ano pa ba? And I tried out a new foundation for today. I was supposed to do a review, pero sabi ko, lashes na lang muna. Ewan ko, ayoko kasi ma-stress. So, this is the new L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. So, bagong foundation from L'Oreal. So, I'll do a review perhaps tomorrow. And then, also, naka-schedule tomorrow is the Zaful haul. I'm gonna be doing a try-on fashion video for you guys. And then, ano pa ba? That's it. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Sakto lobat na yung M50 ko. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Wow, dinner tonight. Ribeye. Yes, and my favorite, tomato.